yeah. Thank you, bud. That was a beautiful fish. Definitely a beautiful specimen.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't yet, subscribe and join the Dad Live Fishing Adventure family. Today we're going to be talking about how to fish late fall, early winter for smallmouth bass on creeks. I'm going to show a couple tips, we're going to go through a couple things, and you're going to see us have success and struggle while we're out fishing. So here we're coming up to the first wintering hole, and we're going to be fighting a finicky fish that just doesn't want to take the bait fully. Do you fish a couple times and give up and move on, or do you work it until you catch that fish, just in case it's a big one and you don't know? And until you get that real bite, you really don't know the size of that fish.
I'm up right away. There we go. Got him this time. Oh, he got off. Ah, he's right there. He's super hungry, whatever he is. I'm gonna catch him. Oh, there we go. He came out. He was right there. I can see him. There he goes. Oh yeah. Hey, I'll take him. He's a solid fish. There might have been one with him. We'll take this guy as our first of the day. I can get him up. Yes. Smallmouth. Thank you, bud. That was a beautiful fish. Way to get going for today. Way to get going on the day. Okay.
Boy, it felt good to get that fish. The next thing I was going to do is fish upstream from that same general area, fishing the rest of the hole and see how we do.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, good one. Yeah, decent fish here, guys. I don't know if he's gonna jump for us or not. Very nice fish, actually. We're gonna have to get on our butts and get down there. Yeah. Oh yeah, solid. Look at that guy. Definitely a beautiful specimen. Not super long, but awesome. Awesome. Thanks, buddy. Beautiful fish. Holy cow. That is the biggest school. Hopefully you can see that, guys. Those are all carp. Wow.
Hey guys, here's the fishing joke of the day. What day of the week do fish hate the most? Friday! Ha ha ha! Back to the action.
Got one. Ooh, good one. Got a good one. Okay. Thank you. Ah. Shoot, got off. That's the first one I've lost. Like that. That's all right. That's all right. Shoot. Oh, fish on. All right. Sweet. Not a big guy, but fun fish. Thank you, buddy. There we go. Hey, buddy. Thank you. Pretty fish. Love it. Thanks, buddy. Let me go back. And we'll try again. Got him, whatever he is. I think it's a rock bass. Big rock bass, no matter what. Yep. Yeah, got off.
So that wrapped up a good day out on the water, a good day of creek fishing in that late fall, early winter time window. And if you notice a lot, my casts are at a 45-degree angle across the creek almost all the time. I don't like trying to fish one edge or directly 90 degrees across it because I want that bait to cross a large dissection of the hole that I'm fishing. So I want to fish a longer line through there. So if I'm just fishing directly across the creek, I'm going to have a really short window to catch a fish. But if I fish at more of a 45-degree angle or even steeper, I'm going to have a longer period in that hole, the area that I think the strike zone is, to get more bites. And that seems to be the key. So when creek fishing from the bank, always use that 45-degree angle, fish low and slow, sometimes even stop the bait. Try different speeds, try different things. You're going to find action. It's going to be fun. So keep it up. And until next time, we will see you out on the water. Smash that like button. Help us get the 10, 20, 30, 40 likes with this video. With your help, we can do that. Drop us a comment. We love hearing from you. And subscribe to the channel and check out Reese Life Dad Life as well. And we will see you next time.